Bro, there's a rainbow. Look, 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 look.
Yeah, en hotel. ¿Qué va a despacho nomás?
¿Dónde este? Michael.
The village provide their mosquito nets. Mosquito net, not bad. A mattress about this big mattress. They put on the floor, correct? Okay, the gentleman is going two. If you go on three of us, 3 mosquito nets, a line. Might bring my mosquito net from the lodge and the other guy too. Okay? And mattress, no like a mattress here, this big, small one. Okay? A sheet and your mosquito net. Okay? We gonna get there by 5 o'clock.
Oh. Yeah, you stay there, Diego. Hey, take videos.
I'm.
Okay? Yeah. That's what they built. The whole village is like this. There's no problem. There's no problem with dirt. They don't let anything get away. Yeah, stop eating. Maybe this time of year, November, December. It's much better. You can feel very nice. It gives a nice massage when you put this in your neck.
Bro,
Okay.
it feels good.
I'm okay.
Come grab it.
I'm alright.
Just put your hand
I'm
there.
not touching
man.
the bug. Look, I will watch from here. I'll look at the beauty.
Look at.
Bro, put it on your neck.
Put it on your neck.
I'm gonna put it on my neck.
Alright, do it right now.
No pica, no? Ooh. Oh, shoot.
Hey, you killed it!
I didn't.
Narrow Creek is an island, a big island. There's a lake over there too. There's gonna be a lot of. So they have to really check that when they release film. But you have to look this way too. Once in a while. Watch the step here, there, Diego. Ooh, you can stop up. Then you can look this way for the camera.
We're far away from the camp. We got lost. We have only the machete and our fishing pole. If I die, save my dog. I love her.
They go about 200 meters, 300 meters, and go straight down there and catch some fish. There's a fish about this big here. Oh, you see that? Sometimes the fish jump.
Did it get it?
It jump right in his face. Okay?
He's gonna get some shots. Am I not allowed to talk if I have it?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready. Are you filming?
I'm filming everything.
Guys. I don't know if you've seen Harry Potter.
That's a toad, and this is a frog. A toad has like a rough skin. This is very soft skin, yeah.
Yeah. Smooth.
And it's smooth, yeah. See?
It's going like,
It's coming out.
yeah. It's such a big.
See?
I think it's kind of cute.
Yeah. You see? It came out. This place.
It's like, it's like trying to take it back in. Do you know what kind of...
Black tarantula.
Is that poisonous?
Yeah. No. It's coming.
That's what I heard.
That's not true. I've been holding frogs all my life, but I don't have anything.
It's a video.
Adult is a male. Orange, like a black spot in the back, that's a male. Female doesn't have any, like that one, so she's eating there.
He's like, give me the food. These are the best shots.
He's pressing the wrestle. Spear that take about 45 minutes or 1 hour to kill one fish.